Like,
Nigga, bro, that boy jump up his two booty cheeks, clap for that. I'm really about to get in your dumb ass. What the f?
gay, this nigga gay, I'm telling you. Look, it look like he riding a bike and flat on his tape, nigga. Oh, nigga scraped this shit, nigga. It look like nigga went on the ground. It look like the nigga went on the ground and just did this. Yeah. They gave your ass the cut, but not the fresh part, stupid ass nigga. Yeah,
What's up?
Oh,
What's up?
okay, hold on. Hey, he might be cooking.
What is this?
Lame ass nigga, I'm really about to get in your ugly ass nigga. You built it like a fucking monkey. Monkey built ass nigga, built back, looking ass nigga. Fucking kunai looking ass nigga. I really toss you across the room with your lame ass nigga. I really nut on your face and nut on everybody you love, nigga. Shut your dumb ass up, nigga, before I slap you with my fucking backhand, nigga. I'm really about to get on your dumb ass nigga. Nigga, you feel like a fucking tomahawk chop, nigga. You talk about tomahawk ass, nigga. Shut your dumb ass up, nigga. I rollerblade on your back, nigga. Rollerblade back, little ass nigga. Lame ass nigga. Nigga, you suck. Round two, bitch. Round two in this bitch.
That nigga say he about to hit your head with the obese ball.
Niggas telling all the Popeyes, all the restaurants to get me. Niggas said, give me all the grease, fat ass nigga.
How it started.
Start looking ass nigga. I'm really about to get on your lame ass.
Popeyes,
Molecule small ass nigga, bro. You ugly as fuck.
Yo, turn on the cams, bro.
the only time the conversation is interesting to you is when we're eating good food. Just that ass. Hold on, bro.
Cook you, tit.
Where my camera at, nigga? I'm gonna cook your ass, nigga.
I'm finna really cook you, bro.
Yeah, ugly shit. Look at that. Look at that tape. Look at your tape. Don't take that nigga back to that. Yeah, ugly shit.
I'm really about to get on your dumb ass, nigga. Shut your lame ass up. Pinocchio nose looking ass nigga. I'm really gonna slap this shit out your dumb ass.
Yeah, man.
On his teeth, bro. Mountain peak ass nigga.
Nigga, your eye built like a mountain. You look like a mountain. Your head shaped like a mountain. Show your tape. 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 Show your tape, nigga. Show your tape, nigga. Show your tape, nigga. Show your tape, nigga. Show your tape.
Stand up.
Show your tape. Show your tape, nigga. It look like you tried to take your pencil, nigga. Get your stupid ass back. Your ass look like Buddha Ball with a tongue out, with long head ass. Your ass look like what's nigga double back or chilly after you shit, nigga. Get your stupid ass on, bro. Your ass ugly as fuck, bro. Your ass.
Get back. Get the dumb ass up, nigga. You look like you eat Play-Doh, nigga. Shut your stupid ass.
Okay.
Your ass look retarded as fuck.
Nigga,
Your ass look.
Arise, nigga.
Grown ass man telling niggas to stand up. But you trying to see my dick because your dick small, nigga. You don't know how big dicks look like, nigga. Your ass look like
Nigga bitching in his dick because he knows his dick small.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep
Keep
going, keep going, keep going. Shit corny, nigga. You look like you bang. You look like you bang your head on the license and sandwich. Nigga, your ass look retarded, bitch.
Bitch, big mouth, looking ass nigga, bro.
Your ass banging your
Looking ass nigga. I'm really about to get on your lame ass shit, nigga.
But you don't get your can head ass, Coca-Cola head ass, nigga. You don't get your thumb head ass, rock head ass. You don't get your kneecap head ass, elbow head ass. You get your stupid ass forearm looking ass. But your ass look like you banging on the ground with your head, nigga. It's shit, nigga. Nigga, your city be billing something, bro.
Nigga, boy, that boy jump up his two booty cheeks, clap for that. I'm really about to get in your dumb ass.
What the fuck?
Hey, this nigga gay, I'm telling you, bro. This nigga ugly as fuck. Bro, I look like a stepped on roach, nigga. Get your ugly ass going, bro. Your ass look like you gotta look like you survive all types of diabetes, bro. Your ass got some fucked up sperm cell, nigga. Get your ass on.
Your little Yoda shit in the back, bro. Small ass nigga, bro.
Nigga, your ass look like you still breast milk, nigga. Get your stupid ass on, boy.
An infant that just came out the womb taller than your bitch ass, nigga. Shut your dumb ass.
You talking about Todd, nigga? Your ass bigger than every dime on my family. You got bigger titties than my mom, nigga. Get your big titty ass, long titty ass, lopsided titty ass, uneven titty ass, nigga. Get your ass on.
Oh nah.
It look like that nigga put a cool eye out there, nigga. You're about to fuck your shit up. You can do everything fucked up, nigga. But nigga, you look like a nigga hit your shit with a tomahawk, nigga. Get your cum ass back, Joe.
He said like they did it with a tomahawk. You know what a tomahawk is?
Ugly shit, bro. Nigga had big shit. Nigga look like he was a forehead fighting competition, nigga. You're stupid ass, bro.
Wait, what's a tomahawk?
That stupid ass nigga, bro.
Try that.
Your big ass, big body ass, strong body ass, fat body ass, sloppy body ass, long body ass. Your eye look like you sleep on your body. You look
Yeah,
That's not
ugly
good.
ass
That's
nigga.
not
I'm really about
good.
to get on your milk
Not
dud, built
good.
ass nigga, stupid ass nigga, lame ass nigga, stupid, lame, built ass nigga. I'm really about to get on your lame ass shit, nigga. Shut your dumb
Oh
ass
my
up, bitch.
god, oh brother.
Of course, the milk. The first thing you say with your fat ass, nigga. Get your ass on,
Yo.
big body ass, nigga. You little fat bitch ass, nigga. Fat ass, nigga. Your ass look like you play with
Alright,
your
bro.
titties before you go to sleep. Pig titty ass, nigga. Your ass look like you run track with your titties, nigga. Get your dumb ass on. You roll on your titty. Bad, nigga. We can all sleep on your titty, big titty ass, nigga.
Oh,
What the fuck?
okay, hold on. Hey, he might be cooking.
What is this, nigga? What the fuck music video is nigga just sent us? What's this? What's this? What is this?
Lame ass nigga, I'm really about to get on your ugly ass nigga. You built it like a fucking monkey. Monkey built ass nigga, built back, looking ass nigga. Fucking cool looking ass nigga. I really toss you across the room with your lame ass nigga. I really nut on your face and nut on everybody you love, nigga. Shut your dumb ass up, nigga, before I slap you with my fucking backhand, nigga. Backhand built ass
Where your
nigga.
face? What is your... Let him see.
I'm really about to get on your dumb ass nigga. Nigga, you feel like a fucking tomahawk chop, nigga. You talk about tomahawk ass, nigga. Shut your dumb ass up, nigga. I'm rollerblade on your back, nigga. Rollerblade back, built ass nigga. Big ass nigga. Nigga, you suck dick for living, nigga. Nigga, you box. Nigga, you box. You punch fucking dick sack punching ass nigga. Nigga, you suck dicks while you box, nigga. Box dicks, fucking ass nigga. Lame ass nigga. Chop teeth looking ass nigga. Lame ass nigga. Nigga, I really shoot you with my fucking Glock 49, nigga, with a sniper. I really hit you on your back, nigga. Back long back looking ass. Long rat looking ass. Nigga, I really get on your lame ass shit. Nigga, you stink like fuck. Nigga, you smell like garbage. Nigga, I really put you in a trash can, nigga. Shut your dumb ass up, stupid ass nigga. Yeah, we're not nut on you, nigga. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga, yeah.
Man, show your tape right quick, nigga. Show it. Yo, I look like you survived the African war, boy. Your ass. Shit, they threw spurs at your shit, nigga. Get your dumb ass on, nigga. They look like you did show shit with rocks, nigga. Like they got your shit. Hold on, stay still. Hold on. Boy, it look like they threw a fucking cocktail bomb at your shit. Your shit halfway gone, nigga. It look like they threw lighters at your shit. Nigga, they put your shit in matches, nigga. They said, they'll have your shit gone, nigga. Your ass stop. Nigga, Jimmy scared me from your monkey today. This nigga said you come fresh as fuck, but your ass thought you was clean, nigga. Ugly ass, boy. They made your ass. They gave your ass the cut, but not the fresh part. Stupid ass, nigga. Your
What the
Yo, Snow, you see this shit?
Look at look like he riding a bike and flat on his tape, nigga. Just go around, nigga, scrape this shit, nigga. It look like nigga went on the ground. It look like the nigga went on the ground and just did this. He got his tape together and shit. He was ugly as fuck.
The nigga say he went on the bike and fell on his tape. You heard it, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, I look like a fat Albert.
Round two, bitch. Round two in this bitch.
Damn.
Yo, Jabisky know you want to get up in that.
They're trying. They're trying.
That's the OB phone. You know how to push to everybody get the
They barely heard it because the music was loud. That nigga say he about to hit your with the obese ball.
You know how Goku was calling everybody, like, give me your energy. Niggas telling all the Popeyes, all the restaurants to give me their energy.
That nigga said he about to hit him with the obese bomb. Oh,
Nigga said, give me all the grease. Fat ass nigga.
But nigga, you look like somebody threw a cocktail at your ass and lit that bitch up on fire, nigga.
Previously.
Boy, it look like they threw a fucking cocktail bomb at your shit. Your shit halfway gone, nigga. It look like they threw lighters at your shit. Nigga, they put your shit in matches, nigga. Like jokes now, nigga.
Nigga, who stole your joke? You never said that.
I didn't say that, you know?
Nigga got a barn on his head, barn head looking ass nigga. Boy, nigga, you look like Barney, nigga. Shut your Barney built ass up, nigga. Lame ass nigga.
You the last nigga to say that, nigga.
Yo, that nigga breathe dirt. Big nose looking ass nigga, bro. Big nose, Pinocchio nose looking ass nigga, bro.
You built like a park. Nigga,
Damn, bro.
nigga,
I ain't gonna take no dirt from niggas that live in a trap house, bro. Nigga, you be
I don't live in a
selling
trap
dope and
house.
flipping, nigga.
Wait a minute. Shit done got serious.
Shut your lame ass up, trap house, nigga. Nigga, you be sniffing on crack for money, nigga. You sell crack, nigga. Nigga, you open your crack.
Your ass is 95% burger grease, nigga. Get your fat ass back, nigga. Your ugly ass, boy. Your ass look confused as fuck, boy. Your ass look like a spad baby, nigga. Your ass look like you got 10 teachers in one class, nigga. Get your retarded ass back.
Nigga, you cool, cause you got a bike at this.
Who we talking about?
We done talking to that nigga, bro. That nigga quiet now, bro. Stay in your lane, nigga. You a little nigga, nigga. And John Jones need your tape, nigga. Get your ass on.
How you started boxing and you still ass, bro?
Better than you.
Bro, you still ass. You garbage, though.
Alright, nigga. That's
How you started boxing, you still ass, bro.
Yeah.
For real, bro.
Yo, y'all boy chill, man, chill.
I started boxing, you still
That's
ass.
just video, y'all boy chill.
I know. It's a video. I'm just
Damn.
Bro, I'll just show it, bro. I'll just show it on my shit.
I'm not supposed to show nobody the videos, nigga. No, I'm dead ass, nigga. I'll kill you in real life, nigga. I'm not supposed to show nobody the videos.
Look at this shit, bro.
I'm dead ass not supposed to show nobody them videos, though. Like, I'm not even playing with you. I'll dead ass put a bullet in your shit, nigga.
Yo.
I'm not supposed to show nobody those videos.
Wait, it's like a contract NDA. Oh, you signed the NDA.
It's a contract shit, yeah. Don't do that shit. I'll dead ass bag you, nigga. Chill out with that shit.
You got a contract?
I'm dead ass bag you, nigga. I'll fuck you and everybody in that house, nigga.
Yo.
Like that, I'll hurt you, nigga. Like real shit. I'm not supposed
to.
He said, "I'll damage you."
You can't hurt nobody, man.
I already showed y'all niggas. You're not supposed to show people your
spars. You can't do nothing, bro.
You're not stupid enough to do that shit, nigga.
I could post a clip on TikTok right now.
Be stupid. Just know you can't be in Miami or not.
What you gonna do? Ain't nobody scared of your puny ass,
That's crazy. That's
bro,
that's crazy.
Ass nigga, bro. Ain't nobody scared of you, bro.
You know you can't be me in the fight.
Nigga, for real.
Everybody in this shit know you
the type of nigga I slap with my dick and then it's over, bro. I guess that's my ass.
Yo, he said he can't come to Miami, Phoenix, dude. That is, I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to be in Miami in like
4 days. 4 days,
I can get fucked up, nigga. Leak the video. Go ahead. You don't leak nigga shit. That's good. You don't leak. Why you still showing?
Yo.
You know I know where you live, right?
Chill.
You know I know where you live, right?